Hello friends, in this video I will provide you the information about important things to carry for NEET UG 2024 examination. As we know, on May 5th Sunday we are going to write the NEET UG examination. For that you have to pre-prepare with these important things to carry with you for NEET UG 2024 examination. The first one is admit card. On admit card, the student has to affix passport size photograph and left thumb impression and 4 by 6 inches postcard size photograph. I will show you the sample pictures how to affix these items. Here you can see this is the sample admit card. In admit card, you have totally 2 pages. In the first page, there are 2 sections. The first section is having, in the first page, there are 2 sections. In the first section, you have all the personal details of student and passport size photograph that is uploaded during the application filling, and signature also you have already uploaded during the application filling. These 2 are displayed on this admit card. Here you can see test details are also available at this page. Here you can check the examination center details. This is the second part of the first page. Here you can see there are 3 boxes. In the first box, you have to affix your passport size photograph. Passport size photograph should be like a photograph you have uploaded during the application filling. Okay, those 2 should be same. In the second box, you have to affix your left hand thumb impression. Use blue ink stamp pad to take this left hand thumb impression. Okay, and in the third box, the student has to sign, but the student has to sign only in the presence of invigilator at the time of examination only. In these 2 boxes, before going to the examination hall at your home only, you have to affix these 2. Here you can see this is the second page of admit card. On this second page, there is a large box. In this box, we have to affix 4 by 6 inches postcard size photograph. This photograph also should be the same like the photograph you have uploaded during the examination filling, just like the passport size the printed passport size photograph on first page of admit card. Okay, and here you can see there are 2 boxes. In the first box, the invigilator has to sign during the examination, and in the second box, the candidate has to sign. The signature also should be signed in the presence of invigilator only, and read all these instructions carefully by the candidate. The second one is one passport size photograph is to be affixed on attendance sheet. So you should bring one extra passport size photograph along with your admit card. This photograph has to be affixed on attendance sheet in the examination hall only. And this photograph also should be like the photograph in the first page. Next one, valid original identity proof, preferably Aadhaar card. Okay, the student's Aadhaar card or any valid original identity proof you have to carry with you for NEET examination. Preferably, they are telling that Aadhaar card is better. Next one, original PWBD certificate if applicable. Suppose if the student belongs to PWBD category, that is physically with the benchmark disability, that is a PH category, then the student has to carry the original PWBD certificate. And there is a small note. Suppose if the PWBD candidate opted scribe during the application filling to write examination instead of the candidate, you have to carry the original documents of scribe also along with the scribe. Next, transparent water bottle. Transparent water bottle also the student has to carry by himself only. So here you can see this is the sample transparent water bottle. Should not have any wrapper or labels or any letters on water bottle. So the student has to carry only transparent water bottle. Next one, submit to the invigilator. Already I told you on the admit card second page, you have affixed 4 by 6 inches postcard size photograph at your home before going to the NEET UG examination. That page, after signed by the invigilator and candidate in the examination hall, the student has to hand over this page to the invigilator at the center. Okay, then only your OMR sheet will be valid. So I hope you got the information about what are the things you have to carry along with you for NEET UG examination. So I am requesting you, the students, please careful in bringing all these important things along with you for NEET UG examination. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, and I am running a Telegram paid group. If you are interested during counseling to get doubts clarification or any paid counseling one-to-one interactions, you should contact me on this Telegram group only. I will provide you the link in the comment box and the description box also. Okay, please like, share my videos. Thank you. Wish you all the best.